be teaching you guys how you guys can log in into your Twitch account. It's me, Rich Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in today's video, as I told you, it's about Twitch. But for those people who do not know Twitch is an online live streaming platform where you guys can live stream and get subscription and payment from your viewers as well. Alright, so that's basically the basic definition of Twitch. If you guys need to know more about it, you can visit its website. Now let me show you guys how you guys can log in. So you want to search for Twitch on your search engine. So I'm using Google Chrome, but you can use whichever thing you want. After searching for Twitch, you want to go on where it says www.twitch.tv. So you want to click on it. It's going to take you to Twitch official website. Now once you're over here, you want to click on where it says login over here. If you click on sign up, you can create an account. If you guys do not have an account, you can click on sign up to create it. But if you guys already have an account, you just want to log in, you want to click on login. Once you click on login, you can enter the username of your Twitch and password of your Twitch. After entering the username and password, you want to click on login. And if you created your Twitch account using Facebook, you can always click on connect with Facebook and enter your Facebook's information, like your Facebook's username, email, and its password, and you should be able to log in into your Twitch if you created a Twitch account using your Facebook. But if you created using Twitch's official site, then basically you need to enter your username of Twitch, password, and click on login, and you should be able to log in into your Twitch account. And if you guys are using Twitch app, it's pretty simple. You just download the Twitch app from Play Store or App Store, whichever thing you're using, and just open the Twitch app. After opening Twitch app, it asks you to log in into your account or sign up for Twitch. When it asks you for login into your account or sign up for Twitch, you want to click on login and enter your information and log in into your account on app. So it's that simple. So hope you guys were able to understand the video.